Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an important topic to discuss: how to turn on security alerts in Messenger. Ensuring the safety of your account is crucial, and these alerts can provide valuable information about any suspicious login attempts. So let's dive into our full guide. If you haven't downloaded the Messenger app yet, no worries. We'll guide you through the process. Head over to the Play Store and in the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon featuring a sideways lightning bolt. It has a beautiful gradient between purple and blue. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then hit the install button. Now that you have Messenger installed, let's proceed to turn on those security alerts. Open the app and sign in using your Facebook account credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your chat list. To access the settings, tap on the 3 stacked horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. From there, tap on the gear icon located next to your username. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section. Here you'll find the option labeled Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to continue. Within the Privacy and Safety section, scroll further down until you see the Security option. Tap on it to access the security settings. Now you'll find an option called End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on it to proceed. Within the End-to-End Encrypted Chat settings, locate the option labeled Security Alerts. If it's currently turned off, simply tap on it once to turn it on. By doing this, you'll enable security alerts in Messenger. Whenever another account or device, whether it was yours or not, attempts to access your account, you'll receive a notification with details like the location and date of the specific login. That's it! You've successfully turned on security alerts in Messenger, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any questions